Hello viewers, if you want to buy iPad 10th generation, I would suggest you to watch this video till the end because in this video I will discuss 3 vital points about iPad 10th generation such as note-taking experience, storage of 64GB and the price point during Flipkart's Big Billion Days sale or Amazon Great Indian Sale. A lot of users actually want to know whether they can buy iPad 10th generation for note-taking. Actually, note-taking experience is very good on iPad 10th generation. I am using a third-party iPencil, that is King One iPencil, and I am getting a very good experience with this. So if you want to use this tablet for note-taking, you can do that. Some users want to know whether they can use good notes on iPad 10th generation. The answer is yes. But you can do or you can use good notes by paying an annual plan of 999 rupees. Only then you can use good notes on iPad 10th generation. However, if you want to use note taking, you can use default note app, which is very good. You can drag and drop object and text from other websites into your note app. I have made a dedicated video on this. If you want to watch that video, you can check out the channel. The second thing is the storage of iPad 10th generation. The base version of iPad 10th generation comes with only 64GB of internal storage, and according to me in 2024 this will be very less. If you use too many apps, it will consume a lot of storage and you have to keep deleting things regularly from your internal storage. However, to solve the problem, you can use SSD or pen drives, or you can buy iCloud storage from Apple. In that case, you have to pay 75 rupees for 50GB storage per month, or if you want to buy 200GB storage, in that case you have to buy or you have to pay 219 rupees per month. And there is also an option of 2TB storage at a price point of 749 rupees per month. So if you have budget, I would suggest you to go for the 256GB version because that will give you an upgrade in storage and you can load a lot of multimedia stuff in your internal storage, so there will be no problem of storage. The third thing is the price point. The current price of iPad 10th generation is about 30,000 rupees after all the cashbacks. But I would suggest you to wait for Big Billion Days sale because in that sale you will get very good discounts on iPad 10th generation and you can buy the base version of 64GB storage at a price point of 22 to 23,000 rupees. And if you want to buy the higher 256GB version, in that case also you can get that product at about 36,000 rupees. So it will be a very good decision if you wait for the Flipkart Big Billion Days sale or Amazon Great Indian Sale. I think this year the sale will start in the month of September last week or October first week of 2024. I will update you about the latest offers on Flipkart and Amazon. So if you want to get updated about the latest price drops, stay subscribed with this channel. Let me know in the comment section below which version you are going to buy and why. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.